and welcome to Altek. My name is Jorge Batista. Today we have here a case from Cooler Master, a MasterBox K500L. We'll be doing a fast unboxing and a review, and going also over the specs. That was the time-lapse of the unboxing of the K500L. The 500L features an edge-to-edge transparent side panel. It is not tempered glass, it is acrylic, so it can get scratched. As for the front panel, it is made of plastic and mesh. It is easy detachable for easy cleaning. As for I/O, it comes with two USB 3.0, a power button, an audio in and audio out jack, and a restart button. The K500L, it is designed for ATX motherboards, but also can support mini ATX and micro ATX motherboards. This case supports up to 3 fans of 120mm on the front, and it comes with two already pre-installed with red LED. On the top section supports up to 2 fans of 120mm. On the rear section supports only a 120mm fan. It comes with one already pre-installed from Cooler Master without any RGB light or any light of any kind. As for water cooling, this case only supports radiators on the front with a maximum size of 280mm. As for SSDs, this case supports up to 4 SSDs in here, and down here. But you only can install one at a time, because you only have one mounting plate. In the driver's cage you can install two 3.5mm hard drives or two 2.5mm SSDs. As for cable management, you have plenty of space and a lot of tie points for your cables. This was the unbox and review of the MasterBox K500L. Leave a comment or a like, and remember to subscribe to Altek, since more videos are coming.